lap now, come and get him. You think I ain't no point? Run up if you want, shoot this bitch through the window. They like, ooh, he violent. They ain't dropping nothing. Ooh, they silent. They making no room.
Right beside me, you look me in my eye, you don't wanna try me. Your back goes bad, I'm on my knee. My bitch goes bad, got 25 D's. CBNG. We got trouble smoking like a Haitian. I know that we got it, nigga, we gon' make it. I'm running the money, the money I'm chasing. CBNG about to sell location. All about life, but you gotta be patient. Count no money, that's how you patient. Oh, we know that we solid coming from the pavement. It ain't no problem smoking like a Haitian. I know that we got it, nigga, we gon' make it. I'm running the money I'm chasing. CBNG about to sell location. What about life, but you gotta be patient. Count no money, that's how you patient. See you later, I don't wanna talk. I just wanna hit the money wall. Flip it back like a somersault. Get it back and make it run it off. I'm better back, I don't wanna talk. I don't have to brag, we done had it all. I'm just making life out of the dog. On the bullshit, walking 1,000 miles. Walking the wall when we talking, they talk. I'm smoking on pressure, it's making me cold. While I'm breaking the house, she talking too much, so I cut the bitch off. I had a reason to leave it, but shit, get back in that wall. I had to get up and go and get out my phone before I get caught. It's been a minute since I took a loss. You kinda thinking that a nigga fell off. You tryna think of you competing with bosses, smoking with blunts. A lot of it cough. This knowledge, you take it to bitch and be cough. It's giving me a head, I'm liking that knowledge. Smoking the whip, cause I just got it polished. Smoking on coke. Exotic bitch, she really weak. She say, I ain't what you thought. Sipping on some illegal. I told the police this shit from my car. Hey, look at my face, I'm crazy. I cannot go out my way and go front your pet, nigga, we not related. I know these niggas ain't really not up to the date. They talking about we got a nigga, we don't make it. Good money and chasing. CBNG about to sell location. Don't think about life, but you gotta be patient. No money, that's how I be patient. We tryna go global back to hit the nation. Know that we solid coming from the pavement. No problem smoking like a Haitian. I know that we got a nigga, we gon' make it. I'm ready to run it, no money and chasing. CBNG about to sell location. Don't think about life, but you gotta be patient. Count no money, that's how I be patient. Hey, CBNG, turn up, CBNG, turn up, Tollete, there, hey, CBNG, yeah, CBNG, Coughee Brothaz new generation, man, y'all check it out, man, album got the song, shit, what's going down, baby? What it do? CBNG, Coughee Brothaz new generation. Hey, let them know what it was. Dude.
Let him have it, nephew.
Yeah, hey.
Let him have it, nephew.
I don't really fuck with these niggas around because these niggas around to be home for sure.
For sure, nigga.
For sure.
Hey.
For sure. How you gon' come around me? Yeah, you ain't got no weed in your pockets or something. And I don't really fuck with these niggas around cause these niggas around to be home for sure. Man, now, shit, that is not what we giving. We like real hard. We deserve the work that we living. I mean, times could be hard. That part, man, I understand. You gotta go and get it, cause you can't get it from another hand. You ain't got no weed or no money up in your pocket. Ain't better than some feelings. See something that you can't cover. I'm just saying. And I ain't even trying to be rude. I'm just giving some good advice because that's all that I do. Why you come around acting like you
Tres, cuatro, tu quiero el grande guerra from the chocolate vato. A lot of my partners, they say I look like Rollo. I beat the pussy up as if I was Hector Camacho. I snapped the bitch cheese from her taco. Tell her I'm head honcho, mini nero pronto. On my werewolf, she like cilantro. She's kinda weird, so I dropped her ass off on Montrose there. I saw some plum holes, I saw some I'm uplifted. You You know what, nigga? Yeah, man, yeah. Man, I'm so high, I haven't landed yet. Don't know if I will ever come down from this buzz that I feel. Cause I'm also got some chill, yep, as if you didn't know. 9 times out of 10, I'm ready, steady, staying low. After unloading my child is coming back from QT. I find up a new beat. You do you, I do me. There's people concerned about my health, but they don't tell me. I don't even try to play it off. Shit, I know they smell me. What is he on? That's what they say when I leave. What is he smoking as you show? It's just weed. I used to stay at the crib, seldom come out, cause they think my wealth and my health goes together somehow. I tried this, I tried that, I'm hooked on nothing but love, so it's hard to say what people thinking of.